I had the good pleasure of meeting Helen Arteaga, who's not with us today. She's on vacation enjoying sunny Aruba. But I met her at a conference and she said to me, I want a health center just like your health center in my community. And I thought it was so cute that she would say that to me. And I asked her where she was from. And lo and behold, she was from Corona, Queens, which was not far away from where I was. This conference was being held in Washington. And after a lot of going back and forth, we sat down and we spoke. And she said to me, it was my dad's dream, and her dad passed away about 10 years ago of cancer, leukemia. And Father Thomas's dream, the pastor from Our Lady of Sorrows. Together they fought to open up a health center that was affordable to the community and would provide the quality of care that they so much wanted for this area. And we sat, we spoke, and we agreed that this was a doable project. And then I reached out to these wonderful elected officials who didn't know me from a hole in the wall. They didn't know me. And they opened up their arms. They didn't even know that I had an affiliation with Helen, who they all happened to know as well. But they recognized the need that existed in this community for a health center like this. And unequivocally, without a fight, I was able to get a lot of the funding that was required to support this health center. So this is when you see a project like this come to fruition, I've seen quite a few of them. It's wonderful, but it's so much work, and there's so much that goes into building an institution and a facility like this. And I hope that Plaza del Sol Health Center in Corona becomes what our main site in the Bronx is, a pillar of strength and a pillar of hope for the community where they could come to seek refuge, seek good health care, and know that they will not be turned away. We are a federally qualified community health center. We receive money from the federal government to assure that people who are not properly covered or who do not have health insurance are able to be seen at a sliding fee scale based on their family size and their income. We're very excited that we could bring that to Corona. And we're very excited that we'll be able to offer not only primary health care, but ophthalmology services, OBGYN services, and a whole spectrum of specialty services that, as we start seeing the need for in the community, will be added. We have the good fortune of having Dr. Arias and Dr. Rodriguez here, who are very familiar with the community, who have worked in the community, and who have been nurtured at Urban Health Plan in the Bronx so that they understand our culture. Because our culture is truly one of excellence, of one where we really value not only the patient, but we value our physicians, we value our staff, and we always strive to do the very, very best that we can. So I'm very, very excited today. I really wish Helen was here. I know she would be very excited as well. But I want to, again, really thank Assemblyman Peralta, Melissa, the council member, because without their support, I'm not sure that we would be standing here today. So with that, I want to introduce our Associate Medical Director, Dr. Richard Jacob, who can talk a little bit about the importance of immunization, because that really is a theme that we want to continue to spread today. That we're here, we provide good care, but it's really reaching out to the community and understanding that they have healthcare needs that need to be addressed. And at this point in time, it is immunizations and making sure that all the children who go to school are immunized, or else they won't be accepted to school. So it's very important. I also want to just mention that next Sunday, September 7th, we will be holding an immunization health fair at Our Lady of Sorrows Church, where parents and their children can come in. If they do, it would be great if they bought their immunization cards if they have them, so that we could offer free immunizations to all who come. And we also have some young ladies at the table who could help parents answer any questions that they may have about immunization schedules and what's needed at this point in time in their children's lives. So with that, Dr. Jim.